Hey guys, it's 2022 Bayochu here, and we're fighting perfectionism and procrastination one overdue video at a time.
There's nothing wrong with that. Tripping, yeah, we all lose track. I wouldn't mind it if I find it.
Today we're unboxing these UPS from TechServ.
I want to say UPS system, but I think that's redundant.
Also, they're very heavy.
We're gonna go with the small one first.
A UPS, or uninterruptible power supply, or power source, is a device that provides emergency short-term power when the main input power fails.
Wrong choice.
Oh! It's like a generator or life support for your gadgets. The main difference, though, is that it only gives you enough time to either switch to a standby power source or to save your work and properly shut down your device or equipment. A UPS is technically used to protect hardware such as computers or other electrical equipment where an unexpected power disruption could cause injuries, fatalities, or data loss. Imagine a hospital's life support machine suddenly stopping because of a blackout. This makes sure that doesn't happen.
You can use this on PCs, monitors, ADSL, POS, and for your home.
TechServ sent over 2 units of their UPS.
This is the US1 1500. This is the UD1 650.
The way that I understand this so far without doing any research on it
Is that a UPS is like a mini generator that saves your files from getting corrupted if you suddenly run out of power. It gives you enough time to save your stuff and then shut down your electronics.
Before TechServ reached out to us, I'd only heard about a UPS once when I was working in theater productions. Back then, the digital mixer that we were using was connected to a UPS, so that in the event that there was a blackout in the middle of a show, we'll be able to quickly save and turn off the mixer without damaging it. By the time this video goes up, I would have already been using these for about 10 months, and it has actually saved me a couple of times. I have the Wi-Fi modem and the mesh router connected to the smaller one, and I have the whole desk setup connected to the bigger one. We're fortunate enough to be living in a place that has full backup generators, so we don't really get blackouts. But the power does fluctuate sometimes, and when we do get blackouts, it still takes a minute or two for the generator to kick in. And back when we didn't have a UPS, the power interruption would always restart our devices. I don't really have issues with the power since I mainly work on laptops, and those run on batteries.
Yay!
But the main thing that the UPS helps me protect are my monitor, my speakers, and the Wi-Fi. I can, however, see this as a great investment for those who use PCs or desktop computers. This UPS from TechServ also doubles as an AVR, or automatic voltage regulator. So not only will it regulate the power that goes into your devices, but it will also save your PCs and files from unexpected power interruptions. These are a great investment for protecting our expensive gadgets and devices, and also for our peace of mind.
The right way to pop bubble wrap. That's so fun.